Hello everyone, welcome back to RCH Builders. So today we're going to start doing the flooring in here, and we'll just see how far we get. We might get it all done in this area, but we'll just see. But anyways, we've already poured some floor leveler and put down a few little pieces of padding and spots that were just slightly had dips in this concrete where this concrete was poured originally by hand is my guess, based off just the way that this floor looks. So just had to level it out a little bit. But anyways, going to go ahead and get started with putting this floor down. All right, that's this room done with the flooring. Stopping it right here for now until we get the hallway painted and ready there. What we're probably gonna put something across here, either like a painter's blanket, like a moving blanket, or maybe even some of the boxes that we took out. But that'll at least help protect the edge in the meantime. But it was a little bit of a pain getting it started with this flooring because the walls in here, original put in, and they're not really straight. But I think I got it going. Once I got past the first 3 rows, it got going pretty good, which is typical with this flooring. The first 3 rows is always a little bit of a pain, but in this case, it was really a pain in the butt. But anyways, 1 room done, and this room is now almost finished. We just got to basically put baseboard around it, paint the baseboard and the window trim, which is just 2 windows, and then install the electrical, which is just putting in a couple receptacles, switches, and ceiling fan. So almost done. But hope you enjoyed watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time.